GameMaker Studio Mobile App Development Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of GameMaker Studio, a versatile mobile app development platform designed to empower developers of all levels. Links to the platform and its resources are provided in the description below for easy access. GameMaker Studio is renowned for its user-friendly interface and robust functionality, making it ideal for indie developers, hobbyists, and even small to mid-sized studios aiming to create 2D games for mobile and other platforms. One of the standout features of GameMaker Studio is its drag-and-drop D&D functionality, allowing those without prior coding experience to design fully functional games. For developers with coding skills, it supports GameMaker Language, GML, a powerful and versatile scripting language. This dual approach makes it accessible to beginners while providing advanced tools for seasoned developers. The platform also supports cross-platform development, letting you create games for iOS, Android, and even extend to desktop and console platforms, all from a single codebase. The built-in asset store is another plus, offering ready-to-use sprites, animations, and templates to kickstart your projects or enhance ongoing work. GameMaker Studio is also optimized for performance. Its clean and efficient engine ensures your games run smoothly on various devices, which is crucial for retaining mobile users. It even supports monetization through ad integration and in-app purchases, making it a complete solution for developers looking to turn their projects into a revenue stream. This platform shines in its ease of use. From intuitive UI to extensive tutorials and active community forums, GameMaker Studio ensures you never feel stuck, whether you're prototyping a game idea or optimizing your final product for deployment. However, it's not ideal for 3D game development. Its focus is squarely on 2D, which it executes exceptionally well. In summary, GameMaker Studio is perfect for those looking to develop high-quality 2D games efficiently without getting bogged down by overly complex tools. If you're serious about mobile game development, this platform offers the right balance of simplicity, power, and scalability. Explore it now via the links below and start creating your next game masterpiece.